Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, December the 19th, 2023. Already solved 2 puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. 2 puzzles remain, the Jigsaw Sudoku with 4 stars. And the binary, it's a binary time. Yes, binary time. And this one will be number 650. Yeah, 7650. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 18 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 O's. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so let's get started. 4 O's we have here. So the rest of the boxes are the ones. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. And double 1 here, no there, no. Double 1 here, no there, no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no there, no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no there, no. Double 1 here, no there, no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 ones comes in O. Between 2 ones comes in O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes in O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. Between 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Between 2 ones comes in O. Double O here, 1 there, 1. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. We have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this last column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Then between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double 1 here, no there, no. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double 1 here, no there, no. Finished in 3 minutes. Well. We solve it again without comparing. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.